Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Deepa here. Today I have with me Claire's one of the top sailors, top sellers across the globe, and that is their Midnight Youth Activating Drop. So this serum was on my to buy list from a very long time. I've hardly come across any negative reviews for this serum, so it was about time that I invested in this product and find the truth out for myself so that I can also share it with you. This retails for 2050 rupees in India. It's just 20 ml. I know that it is a bit expensive, but since the texture is very watery, it spreads really easily and you do not have to use like a lot of product. I had purchased this from Limeys Connect. This was my first ever purchase from Limeys, and frankly they sent me so many trial packs for Claire's. I have hardly ever received so many goodies from a purchase, so thank you so much Limeys for that. Again, not a sponsored video, okay. Right before I purchased this serum, I came across a video on YouTube, although it is in Korean but it has English subtitles. So in that video there is a woman in her late 30s and she is not very happy about some fine lines that she has on her face. So I've done a good analysis of her crow's feet and the other fine lines that she has on her face, and they recommended that she use it for 21 days, and 21 days later they did the analysis again and there is a huge reduction in her fine lines. I started developing fine lines at the age of 24. So I thought that I should not waste any more time. If we talk about the ingredients, this has oligopeptide 1 and polypeptide 1. So basically oligopeptide is an EGF, other one polypeptide which is a BFGF. What EGF does is it helps in rejuvenating or restoring the topmost layer that we have, okay. And the BGBF, which is a polypeptide, it kind of goes deeper in your skin and it helps to regenerate your skin at a deeper level. Since it's doing the regeneration bit, that is why it kind of also helps with the collagen production. It also has guanidine. So guanidine alleviates acne and it promotes clearer skin. It also has antioxidant properties, so it will help against the free radical damage. I already had established a timeline of 21 days for myself to identify if there are any improvements in the nasolabial fold region as well as my forehead. Just the very next day my skin looked really good, but I thought that it could also be the effect of probably a good night's sleep, so I did not pay much heed to that. The second day was alright, but by the end of the first week itself, I could see that there was some difference in how my fine lines appeared. I had also applied it on my neck, so my neck had like really large lines and even they had started to like look a little better. I kept going. 21 days later, the lines in this region were reduced drastically. I was extremely impressed with this serum, and frankly no other product has impressed me to this level ever, just because it started showing results from the next day itself. Now one thing or rather two things that you need to absolutely take care of if you are investing in this product. Number one is that this has to be used as the first step of your skincare regimen. The toner will go next. We've always learned that toner is always the first step, not this time around. A toner kind of creates like a protective barrier on your skin, right? So if you've already applied a toner, this darling won't be able to do anything for you. Alright. But number two, you have to ensure that you are using an exfoliant at least every 4 days. So what I'm doing is I use it for 4 days in one stretch, and then I use Dr. Sheth's Extra Gentle Daily Peel on the 5th night, and then repeated the whole process. If you want to keep the peel for the whole night, especially for the beginners, you can wash it off 15-20 minutes later and then apply it immediately after washing. Another benefit of the serum is that this is good for all skin types. It does not matter what skin type you are, this will help you. And if you want to layer it with the acids, you can do that as well, but again, apply a toner after you have used the midnight drop, then continue with the normal regime that you have. This is especially great if it is used at the night time. So that's all for now for this serum. So this is magic in a bottle for sure. I think all of us should give this a try at once for sure, because this is amazing.